Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And it's me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video a stylish and latest collection of low maintenance style for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Different ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, messy hairstyles, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, and different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And so beautiful ideas in undercut. And many much more latest and beautiful variety ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please support me, support my channel. My channel can't do without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.